I'm fluent with the new shit, I'm doing it all night. I like what I do what I like. I could quit and get it back like I'm riding a bike. Like stop, bring it back, bring it back. We got that balance, keeping us on track that you get when you're moving quick with no slow. You stare like you don't care, but you do though. I know, you really must be so lonely, puffed up like you're tough but so phony. You and your boys, you don't know me. You really wanna hold me? Show me, homie. Let's get it over with for good. I got a friction addiction, I wish you would. Machine shop rocking when we step inside, and we got everybody so petrified. Now why is everybody so petrified? Petrified. Step aside and just drop that. Drop